Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to archive a story on Instagram using your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now tap the video player icon. This is where all your Instagram stories are displayed. Select the story you want to archive. Tap the three dots at the bottom right corner and choose Manage. A new menu will appear on your screen. Here you'll see the option Archive. Tap on it. Tap Archive again to confirm. That's it, your selected story has now been archived successfully. Now let's see how you can view your archived stories. Tap your profile picture again at the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then select Archive. Here you can view all your previously archived Instagram stories. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone and Instagram tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.